Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we are seeing impact of attack by Israel on Iran, uh, which seems like not ending in a day. May see some continuations for period. Uh, so let us see what comes thereafter. The immediate impact is on oil, which has moved up by almost around $7. And this is likely to have a negative impact on OMCs and positive impact on oil and gas producing companies like ONGC and Oil India and HOEC. Apart from that, some defense company can also seem positive trigger as India has tie up with Israel for receiving technology and supplying some components to the Israeli companies. So may benefit defense companies like Bharat Dynamics, Adani Enterprises, Astra Micro, Premier Explosive, and all. Apart from that, the sentiment is likely to remain subdued on account of the recent war which is starting. And the commodities are not yet seeing major impact apart from oil. Aluminum and copper are more of a flat. Iron ore is down by around 0.5% and steel is down by around 1%. So seems like more of a negative day today. And I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you. Morning, all of you. Today, Nifty opened a gap down and remain a sideways during the day because the downside majorly support place around 24,600 to 24,540 at downside. We already mentioned that there is a major support zone for the index. Last 2 months, we saw that is 24,500, 600. Last May month also, Nifty tested this support zone and again bounced back towards 25,000 and 25,200 is the next immediate resistance zone. So today we again Nifty comes that important support zone after gap down, and we closely watch if Nifty managed to sustain 24,540 and 600 range in closing basis. Then wait for 1 to 2 trading session. If it sustain this support zone, then we again expect some bounce back at downside level towards 25,000 and 25,200. About 25,200 closing basis, then we expect further rally towards 25,800 and 26,200 in all near the all-time high. Till the date, this is the main support for index 24,540 and 600. We closely watch today's session. Bank Nifty also trading near the support zone, that is first immediate support place around 56,000. Below that, 55,740 and 55,500 is a major support for Bank Nifty next. And upside 56,400 and 56,700 is the next resistance for Bank Nifty. Today, we closely watch both index managed to sustain this support zone. Then we take a call for next week for 1 to 2 trading session. We can wait, and if Nifty managed to sustain today only and again pull back, we seen the pullback rally in second half. So we expect some positive momentum in upper range. But first half an hour, 1 hour, we closely watch after gap down. Stock specific, Apollo Hospital looks positive. Yesterday we saw some positive momentum with volume, and we expect this momentum to be continued towards 70 to 100 and 70 to 40 in upside. Downside, majorly support place around 68, 70 and 68, 60 at downside. So we closely positive in Apollo Hospital. Dr. Reddy also looks positive. Oil India also given a good support zone and trading the important range about, and we expect some positive. Negative side, Bajaj Auto looks weak at current level, and we see some pressure in Bajaj Auto. Second, Bharti Airtel, we already given a call, but right now trading near the support is Bharti Airtel break 1830. then view is negative. But till the date, Bharti Airtel looks positive at current level also, and is again trade above 1860. Then we expect further momentum to be continued. Coal India looks weak at current level. Yesterday breaks 394 range and close below that important support. So do you expect some pressure in Coal India? So that's it for technical derivative I can catch.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So, on the derivatives front, as we witnessed in yesterday's session, there was a major selling has been witnessed from the upside levels. Currently, on the weekly basis, we are seeing that the support which was there for the Nifty at 24,800 level, GIFT Nifty is likely to open below that level near 24,600 level. So, currently, weekly support is getting broken out. The monthly support which we are seeing that Nifty has managed to hold that support in last month for next 3 to 4 times was the 24,500 to 24,300 range. This is a monthly support for the Nifty currently. Till the time any further negative impact arises from the global front. As per the OI position, also we are seeing that at 24,000, 24,200 level, call order positions are intact. Against that, we are seeing that the put order positions has liquidated at some sort of point of time between 24,700 to 25,000 mark. So currently in today's session, we might witness some more sort of selling pressure in the first half of trading session. Why future also we are seeing that in yesterday's session it almost came near 1.8 crore, so it is trading way above its average zone. The average for the Nifty OI position is around 1.4 to 1.5 crore. So till the time Nifty OI is not getting liquidated on the downside at that level, till that point of time we will witness some sort of a pressure in the market. While on the stock specific and sector specific front, Dr. Reddy Tech Mahindra looks positive on a negative front. Tata Elxsi IEX Bharat Forge looks negative. So that's it from better to front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. On the news front, HCL Tech has announced that Volvo Cars has chosen the firm as a strategic suppliers for engineering services. Earlier, the company has been involved with the company giving digital and PLM services, so this would be an additional work. However, quantum of the order is not known. This news is positive for HCL Tech. Secondly, on the IPO front, today Oswal Pumps Limited is opening for subscription with a total issue size of rupees around 1387 crore, comprising of issue of 890 crore, and the rest is OFS. Oswal Pumps basically manufactures solar powered and grid connected submersible and monoblock pumps, also electrical motors as well as modules, which the company sells under the Oswald brand. The company basically had commenced its operations in 2003 with the manufacturing of low speed monoblock pumps. So, over the years, it has expanded its operations and has evolved to manufacture high speed pumps and motors. In March 2019, Government of India launched PM Kusum scheme with a total outlay of rupees 344 billion rupees, giving central financial support of installing 1.4 million standalone solar agri pumps as an energy security for the farmers. So this was a turning point for the company. So Oswald started supplying solar powered agri pumps under this scheme in 2019, and within the last 4 years, it has become one of the largest suppliers to the scheme participants. So as of April 2025, the company has supplied around 45,000 solar pump systems to various state governments under this scheme, including marquee players like Tata Power Solar Systems and even certain vendors empaneled in central as well as states schemes. Moreover, Oswal is also among very few players who are are fully integrated turnkey solar pumping system providers with the capability to manufacture the solar powered agri pumps and modules and pump controllers, along with providing installation services as well. So, with government aggressively planning to sanction solar powered pumps in Kusum 2 program as well, Oswal would further benefit having capex plans in place. So the company has delivered robust financials as well, wherein the revenue has grown 44% CAGR, EBITDA 103% CAGR since FY22 to 9 months FY25. So, and the current order book of the company is around 1100 crore. With an additional bid pipeline of around 3200 crore, indicating decent growth visibility in the coming years. So at the upper price band of 614 rupees on post-issue capital, the IPO would be valued at an annualized FY25 PE of 24 times and EV by EBITDA of 16.4 times. So that would be at a discount to its closest peer, that is Shakti Pumps. The bidding date for the IPO is 13 June to 17 June. The price band at lower end is 584 rupees and higher end it is 614 rupees. We are giving a subscribe rating to the stock. Thank you. That's it from me.
Yeah, we met the management of HCL Tech, management of HFCL, Himachal Futuristic earlier name. The last quarter results were performance was very poor and got impacted because of low pricing of their telecom products which they are supplying, mainly OFC and optical fiber. Apart from that, the growth in the turnkey project also slowed down in the last quarter. This slowness or lower performance is likely to continue in Q1 as well, and thereafter the things are likely to improve. Management has indicated that they are expecting revenue growth of around 25 to 30% in FY26, and the margin to revert back to FY24 levels, whereas in FY25 the margin declined by almost around 200 basis points. So that indicate that there could be an improvement of around 200 basis point in margin in FY26 over 25. The key driver, what management has indicated that the OFC and OF, that is optical fiber and optical fiber cable, is seeing strong demand revival, and they expect to double the revenue from optical fiber cable and optical fiber in the current year. Apart from that, the other business like defense is likely to contribute to the revenue. Management has indicated that they are looking at 300 crores of revenue from the defense segment, which was very negligible in FY25. The main driver will be the night vision devices, where the company got order of around 48 crores. The other product which can contribute is fuse, but the company is still awaiting approval for the fuse, and that depend a lot on that. If the approval doesn't come in the current year, then company may not be able to generate revenue from that. Other businesses are likely to remain more of stable, like like the turnkey project revenue will be somewhere at around 1400 to 1500 crores. Last year it was 1600 crores. Because of lower ordering, the revenues are lower. So overall, what we see that the performance, though likely to start improving in the second quarter, but in the past, the management has guided but not able to achieve. So one has to take guidance of the promoter with pinch of salt. So we will be waiting for the revival signal in the financials, and then only we'll be able to take a call on that. So outlook in the near term is likely to be neutral. We expect company to do EPS of around rupees 2 in FY26, and the share is trading at around 45 time FY26 earning, which seems comparatively higher. So near-term outlook for the company is neutral. That's all from us. And I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, gold prices have tested 1 lakh rupees on MCX, and overall one should wait for a dip around 99,500 and initiate a buy with a stop loss of 99,000. On upside again, 1 lakh 1,000, 1 lakh 500 is the area where one should take profits. Wherein silver, one can initiate a buy around 1 lakh 6,000 with a stop loss of 1 lakh 4,000. On upside, again 1 lakh 8,000 to 9,000 is the level where one should book profits. Crude oil prices have opened gap up and still expecting prices to test 6,400, 6,500 on upside. So buying on dips in crude oil is recommended, though it is at a circuit freeze of 6%. Prices are expected to further rise. And in natural gas, there could be some consolidation from 290 to 315. Buying on dips with a stop loss of 290 is recommended. And in metals, copper prices are resisting 860, 876 levels. So strictly sell with a stop loss of 881, and on downside 865.60 is the level where one can book profits. And in zinc, one can initiate a buy around 252 with a stop loss of 250. And on upside again, 255 to 256 is the level where one should book profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.